Hello everyone, welcome to another 11 tutorial. Today we're going to walk through the campaign uh, response process for publishers when you receive requests. What do you do with them? How do you find them? How do you approve them? So on and so forth. Very quickly, we're going to start on the My Campaign screen. It is basically a dashboard full of all the campaigns and RPs that you have, as well as your overall inventory calendar. If you want, you can select I'm in the shoes of Viacom as a network. By the way, if I wanted to select a different Viacom channel, I could do that and change this calendar. Same goes for publishers. If I wanted to select a different publisher and just view their campaigns, I could do that from there as well. Uh, if I want to swap through these shows on BET, I could hit this drop down and select a specific show and get just that calendar for that. And if I wanted to select a campaign that I have running at the time and just see what's upcoming for that particular campaign, I can do that here as well. We're going to hit do all campaigns, and we're taken into another campaign screen with a full blowout of all the campaign requests that you have. Currently, we're looking at BET. Again, we can swap through the channels within the Viacom network from there. Programs as well. And obviously, we can swap through categories. Right now, we're looking at cosmetic brands that are interested in the 50 Central show. I can jump in the new request. And here I can see the campaign description. I can see the order details, so all the line items that they're ordering for this particular campaign. And if because 50 Central is included in this, you see the entire order sheet for that entire campaign. And the order total. On the right, you're seeing team approvals. So not every, just because we get an approval doesn't mean uh, it's one person's decision. So anyone who has input into whether or not they want to approve these orders or line items for their particular shows, they have rights to do so within the platform. So if an executive producer doesn't think something's a good fit, they can deny it. If the line producer thinks something's a great fit, they can approve it. Showrunners included, producers included, VPs of sales included, whoever has a decision on both either the creative side of the process or the sales side of the process has carte blanche to approve or deny campaigns. And as an admin, you're able to basically overrule certain people's decisions. So, for example, if you think that the only people who are required to make a decision want to buy are the executive producer, the VP of sales, and someone else, only those three people's approvals will be needed to approve that campaign. However, if anyone else is involved in that decision, you can get their input from here as well. You have a time limit to accept these campaigns because these are API requests. And if you should hit accept, you'll be thrown into a campaign detail screen, which is also where the chats for this particular campaign are housed. So anything that you want to do outside of pricing negotiations, because at this point they've already selected inventory that's been pre-priced and packaged by you and said, hey, I want to order this. So we've eliminated an entire step of negotiation in this model. So all that's really left is creative talk. So anyone that's on the brand side that needs to be involved, or on the agency side that needs to be involved, you're seeing them here. And anyone that you need to bring into the table from your side, you can bring them in as well. If you need to share past examples, if you need to get some input from here, so we're looking at Sal Candela, for example, over at Omnicom. He's showing us what examples of down in the DMs he liked and what he would like to see in the next iteration of an execution from us as Viacom. You're going to see the recent activity, obviously, so when someone submits a change request, final approvals, so on and so forth. And at the very bottom, you can view the change requests that you've gotten on these campaigns, as well as submit creative when it's finished and shot and produced for review or that they should say, hey, we want to throw an overlay here or add it to the package. And that's the long and short of how you accept campaigns as a publisher. on the 11 platform.